Alright, so today we're looking at the Husqvarna, and let's see here. It's a YTH 22V42. That would mean 42-inch wide deck and a 22 horsepower engine. Under the hood, that engine is the Briggs and Stratton Intech 22 horsepower. And let me get around on the other side and show you the tag, the information tag here. There you go, information about the blades, the belts, all that stuff's right there. There's a model number on the very bottom. This particular unit currently has a snow blower attached to it. The Husqvarna snow blower, 2-stage. Let's take a look at the model number there. And this particular unit is raised and lowered by a winch. So electric winch. And here's the button on the dashboard, how to make the winch go up and down. Got some tire chains and weights on the back wheels. We got the cab, a little soft cab all around. The door is pretty much, as you can tell, kind of zip, open and closed. Hydrostatic, complete with oil leak. We'll have to get that fixed in the spring. We're waiting for snow now, so now's not the time to start dealing with that. This thing, it's still got good tires on it. Alright, we're going to take a quick look underneath to kind of show an idea of how it's mounted. Down here, we've got what's normally considered a mule drive. There you go, belt driven. Fun little unit to play with. So there you go. Get yourself a Husqvarna. Anyway, all right, there you go. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.